B divided by 2 or B divided by -2?
Say it again, Arya.
Is the second step B divided by 2 or B divided by -2?
Always divide by 2, half it.
Okay.
Miss, so is the answer x equals 5, y equals minus?
Wait. I said
Wait, no.
send it in the chat. Or if you've done it, just send a picture to me.
Oh my God. Oh, bro.
What happened?
He sent it in everyone.
Oh, I'm sorry, Aryavir. I've had a long day.
Same, bro.
Miss, is that fine?
You'll have to wait. If you would have given me the answer in the personal chat, I would have said.
Miss, can you revert to me in the personal chat?
Ooh,
Just
yeah.
wait. Arya, कितना हो गया?
Miss, I'm almost done.
Miss, is this class till 8?
No, 7.
Okay.
Miss, is y equal to 1 second. Yeah, is y equal to -19?
Yes. And
Yes.
x equals to?
-5.
No,
Oh, 5, sorry. 5.
5.
5.
Correct. Take care. So I think this method is understood.
But Miss, can we go back to the previous thing? So those exponential things that were there, those were quite tough.
We'll go back. अभी ये complete नहीं हुआ. अभी तो just हमने completing the square सीखा. Let me revise through the entire part of this. वो एक छोटा सा part है. This is entirely left. ठीक है? So we'll go back. Don't worry. As soon as we are done with this, so this part is understood. We have completed up till here now. Write the quadratic equation in x minus h whole square plus k form. This is done. ये वाला part is done. Right? And then it says sketch the function stating the coordinates of the vertex. So once you are converted from here to here, you know what is the vertex?
Yeah.
Right? So from you have to, this is nothing but the completing the square method.
So you can sketch the function by replacing x with whatever, and you have the vertex already.
You have the vertex already. I'll tell you, when you sketch a graph for a quadratic function, what all things will you need? What are the things that we need?
X intercept, y intercept.
The vertex.
1, both the values of x. Wherever it is cutting the x-axis, so there will be 2 values for x. Okay? Second thing that you need, this is the y-axis cut. Where it is cutting, that will be your y-intercept. Okay? Third thing that you need is vertex.
Yeah.
Okay? And the fourth thing that you need is axis of ये 4 चीजें हमें चाहिए whenever we are doing it. Okay? What is x-axis? See, if you see this graph, what is x-axis?
Yeah.
Wherever it is cutting, right? Yeah. And one more thing I forgot to write was the shape. Write that also. Fifth thing that you need is shape. What do I mean by shape?
Like the
parabola.
Right. So if A, what is A for this one?
Miss, I don't remember the equation.
A is greater than 1. You remember happy face, sad face?
Yeah.
क्या होता है happy face, sad face में?
Happy face is like this, sad face is like this.
So you can have a shape either like this or like this.
Yeah.
This is when you feel happy, you feel positive.
Yeah.
When A is positive, right? You're sad, you feel negative. So when A is negative.
So
Okay?
what if
And what
A is
A?
0.5?
That's
what is
positive,
A?
no?
X square plus 2x plus 4.
So it's
what is A in this
smiling
case?
face.
The number which is here, right? What if I have an equation which is like this? Minus 2x square plus
That's a sad
4x
face.
plus 8. That's a sad face. So this is how you
So
define.
just if it's 0.5x squared, still happy?
Still, because it's not negative, no?
It's positive, no?
Okay, Miss, can I
Negative
go
means
get,
you have to have a minus sign.
can I get water?
Huh.
I have an idea on my laptop.
Forgot to record only. Then x is equal to minus 3 and this x is equal to minus 4. ये बात समझ आ गई? That's how you get these values.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? So that's what we are putting here. Minus 4 and minus 3. Clear hua? It's very important for you to understand this. Okay?
Yeah.
This part is understood? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever x2 values you got, 2 values for x you got, you will plot it, put it here. These are the 2 values. After that, vertex निकालना है. Vertex निकालने के लिए method क्या था?
A equals 1, B equals 7, C equals 12. B upon 2 is 3.5, x plus 3.5 squared minus 3.5 squared plus 12. And Miss, what is 3.5 squared?
You can check on calculator.
Arvind, what's 3.5 squared? I don't have a calculator. Oh wait, decimal.
It's 3.5 square is 12.25.
12.25. Oh. It is minus 0.25. Y is minus 0.25. X is minus 3.5.
Check your vertex.
Yeah.
आ गया? You know now how to find the vertex. So you make a point here. You make a point. Make a point here. Make a point at the vertex. You make a point here. How do you find y value? By putting what equals to 0?
X equals to 0.
X equals to 0 करेंगे तो ये 0, ये भी 0, तो x equal y is equal to क्या बचेगा सिर्फ? Y is equal to 12. So
Miss,
you
can't
make
we
a
just say y is equal to the constant instead of doing that?
You can, but
Yeah,
you should know the method. आ गया? अब एक आप यहाँ पर point डाल दोगे. After doing this, you connect all the points. You will get your curve. And shape of the curve would be happy face or sad face?
Happy face because
Happy.
X is positive, A is positive.
So you know everything now. You can sketch a full graph
Yeah.
clearly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood, right? No problems
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What is happening in this pink wala case? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
Miss, this one rests on the x-axis.
Why did it happen like this? Why did we get 2 answers for the other one and either two cuts on the green graph, but for the pink graph we are getting or red graph?
Because the y value, I mean the x value for, wait, Miss, can you just go to the coordinates again of the vertex? For the
Where?
pink one. For
So
the pink vertex.
this one, the x value, no, wait, the vertex is minus 3 and 0. So y is 0, and since
No. My question is, why is it only touching, not cutting at 2 places for x?
yeah, miss, because A is positive and the vertex has y as 0, that means it will go only up from y0.
No, or kuch.
Miss, because the y value is 0, that's why it's laying on the.
That's what even Arsh is saying. Or kuch hai. Or bhi kuch hai. Unshare the screen once.
Miss, I didn't understand the question.
Question is, why is this particular graph cutting only at at a certain point in the x-axis and not cutting 2 points on the x-axis. जबकि दूसरे में तो दो जगह. Answer is in this.
In what? The red one?
This one, yeah. Answer is here. Give me the answer.
Because x is -3.
Yeah, miss, we only got one x-intercept as -3.
Q.
Because the y is 0.
Because both B and C are divisible by 3.
Or
Amount and C.
Miss, I don't know.
I'm sorry.
look at these two brackets.
Yeah, miss, they're the same.
They are the same. बाकी cases में क्या होता है usually?
One is different.
Both the brackets are different. That's when you get the graph cuts at two different x values. यहाँ पर the values are the same. The two brackets have come out to be the same. इसलिए आपको एक ही answer मिला. Even though it is a quadratic equation, you're getting only one x value answer. समझ आ गया? You got the answer? The brackets.
I didn't understand.
Beta brackets you have. Arsh, can you explain it to him? Let me see.
So Aryavir, we have two brackets here since it's a quadratic equation. That's the way it goes.
You always get two brackets, right?
Yeah.
And two brackets have similar values or different values?
Similar.
Is it?
Different.
Different आता ना? So Arsh, continue.
So in this case, you have the same values in the bracket x plus 3, x plus 3. Therefore, they both give you the same value once you put them into, x plus 3 equals 0. So you have x equals -3 in both cases. Therefore, x only equals -3. Therefore, you have only one x-intercept.
Got it?
Okay. But so in usual cases, we have two x's.
Two x values, but जब ऐसा कभी केस आता है जहां पर दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम हो जाते हैं वहां पर even though it is a quadratic आंसर एक ही मिलता है. तो उसमें ग्राफ कैसा बनता है? Only
then it'll cut it twice, right?
Usually it will cut twice, but we have two more cases. एक केस हमने क्या क्या केसेस देखे हैं अभी तक? एक केस हमने देखा है कि जहां पर वो ऐसा बन रहा है,
floating in the air, cutting once,
ऐसा बन रहा है, और एक केस हमने देखा कि ऐसा बन रहा है, टच कर रहा है. यहाँ पर क्या होगा?
That you can't find under root
find x values क्योंकि under root d आप नहीं निकाल पाओगे. Under root d जो होता है वो नेगेटिव हो जाता है. That's when you get this. Splitting the middle term से ये वाले questions होंगे ही नहीं. Splitting the middle term से ये questions बनेंगे ही नहीं. ठीक है? फिर आता है ये केस जो नॉर्मल केस है हमारा, जहां पर दो वैल्यूज ऑफ x मिलेंगे एंड यू विल गेट दिस वन. ये सेकंड केस है हमारा. ठीक है? एंड थर्ड केस ये वाला है जहां पर x की, क्योंकि दोनों ब्रैकेट्स हैं वो सेम होंगे, तो थर्ड केस में हमारे इस तरह का ग्राफ बनेगा. आई होप वी आर क्लियर ऑन दिस. और ये तीनों मैंने हैप्पी फेस बनाया. ऐसा सेम चीज सैड फेस के साथ भी हो सकता है.
ओके,
गॉट इट? वर्टेक्स निकालना सबको आ गया अच्छी तरह से? Okay. अब आते हैं एक जिसको हम एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री बोलते हैं, जो मैंने बोला आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगी मैं. एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री के लिए आपको एक फॉर्मूला चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज -b/2a. b/2a मतलब किसी भी इक्वेशन को आप देखो और उसकी एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री मतलब किस पॉइंट पे वो बिल्कुल मिडिल में आप फोल्ड करोगे तो फोल्ड्स लाइक अ पेपर, बिल्कुल सेंटर में फोल्ड होगा. तो लेट्स से इसका एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री कहां पर होगा, लेट्स फिगर आउट. So minus b. B क्या है इस केस में? It is 6. So write down minus 6
6 upon 2
upon 2, or a is 1. So upon 2, which is how much?
minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3 पे जा करके ये minus 3 of what?
X equals minus 3.
X equals to minus 3. Now, अब ये तो सिर्फ x axis निकला हमारा, x निकला, y भी तो निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट? उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग। तो आप क्या करोगे, जो -3 आया ना वो यहाँ डाल दोगे, x की जगह सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, ठीक है? तो when you substitute this, what do you get? x तो -3 आ गया, और
9
that
9 plus 18 plus 9. So it's 18 plus 18, which is 36.
9 minus 9 minus
Yeah,
18 plus
sorry.
9.
So you have 0.
0. So your axis of symmetry is at
Wait, I
minus.
didn't understand. Like, I understood how to do the first part, like the bit in blue, but then I didn't understand after that.
You got the ये minus b upon 2a करके आपको क्या मिलता है? You get the value for x axis, x coordinate. X coordinate ही मिला अभी.
Yeah.
But whenever you are putting a point, you always have to show y coordinate and x coordinate together, right? सिर्फ
Yeah.
एक छोड़ के तो होगा नहीं, तो y निकालना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो y x की वैल्यू आई, put that back into the equation. This value that you just calculated, you need to
Also, it'll become -3 the whole square plus
minus
6.
3 the whole square,
Acha,
minus
okay.
3 into 6 and plus 9.
Got it.
And you will get an answer. For this case, we are getting a 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's check if we are getting the right answer. Yes, we are getting, because the axis of symmetry was on this point only. This is the point from where it started turning.
Hmm.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes, miss.
Perfect. So अब हमें plotting आ गई अच्छी तरीके से, so sketching.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now I want you to go through this once more. For now, I will go back to the exponential and जहाँ पर आपको problem थी, Harsh. Yes.
Yeah, miss. This. I don't get how to do this.
Same. I was a bit confused with the to the power of x when it's like 4 minus x.
Which one?
Miss, from B. That's where my doubts start. I know you'd explained it last class, but I could not remember.
Yeah, miss, and f was completely out of the window. I just
8
did
raised
not.
to power x plus 1 is equal to 16 raised to power.
I remember you split it into 8 plus
Break it. So 8 raised to power x
X
Times
8 raised to
8.
power 1.
into 8 raised to power 1
Yeah, equals 16 raised to the power 4 upon 16 raised to the power x.
upon 16 raised to power x. I now want to bring all the x wala things together.
So it becomes x 8x 8 to the power into 8 to the power 16. Then 16 to the power of 4 upon 8 to the power of 1.
Perfect. Okay. Now one is in 8 in terms of 8, another is in terms of 16 and this 16 and 16 ka power, 8 and 8 ka power, right? So I want to bring them down to 1 power. Easy. So that for me, now I have to equate both the sides with the same base. So what is that possibility with which I can make the same base? It is 8 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 3. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3.
Yeah.
And x will be as it is. 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 and x will remain as it is. Got it? This 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 with a 4 as it is. And this 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will solve it. 2 raised to power 3x into 2 raised to power 4x Right? Now this I can add up and write that this becomes 2 raised to power 3x plus 4x.
Yeah.
So can I write this as 2 raised to power 7x? Right? And on the right side, it is 2 raised to power 16 minus 3. You understood why I did minus 3?
Yeah.
Because it is 2 raised to power 13 now. So 2 raised to power 7x is equal to 2 raised to power 13, which means now I made my purpose. Purpose is fulfilled now. I made both the sides with the same base. Now I can say 7x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 upon 7 is the final answer.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So this part we had done yesterday also. I'll explain another question now.
Miss, can I do CM? Like, can you just see if I'm right?
Right now or later you're saying?
Oh, Miss, right now. I'll finish it very fast.
Arya, you also do. I hope you all are writing down because maths has no meaning if you're just listening.
Yeah, Miss, I'm writing.
C, right?
See,
Miss, how can I put 1 upon 8 as... Oh, okay. Wait, I can take it as...
1 raised to power x and 8 raised to power x. Up now 1 raised to power x will always be 1. So I'll eventually make it 1.
So, Miss, can I take this as 1 upon 2 raised to the power of minus 3?
If you're saying upon, then you cannot put a minus. If you remove that upon, then up minus dal sakte ho. I'll show you what I mean. 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3.
Yeah.
Become 2 raised to power 2x.
Oh, you can
into
switch them.
2 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 raised to power 3x, which can be written as 2 raised to power minus 3x.
So it means I took 1 also to the other side. 1 side.
Then it becomes 2 raised to power 2x plus 2. Please do it on your own and later you can check from what I have done here.
Miss, does x equal minus 10?
Minus 2 upon 5.
Miss, I got 2 times minus 5.
Just have a look. देखो कहाँ mistake हुआ.
Is 2 times minus 5 okay?
No, that's not right.
Wait, Miss, can I see your answer?
Are you not able to see my answer?
Can you zoom in?
You check
Oh,
step by
wait,
step.
no, I can see it. It's the big one.
So I'm very confused. It's just not happening.
Okay. Let's look at the question first. What does question say? See.
Miss, 1 second. Can I just explain what I did? So where you moved 2x plus 2 minus 3x, you moved minus 3 this side. I moved 2x that side. So I got 2 equals minus 5x.
2 equals minus 5x, yeah?
Yeah. And then I took minus 5 to the other side and 2 times.
Still get minus 2 upon 5, no? Because minus 5 is in multiplication. You said minus.
Yeah.
Oh wait, miss. So you didn't like move anything over?
Arya, let me explain now step by step.
2 upon minus 5.
अभी आ गया ना अर्श? You can
No,
now
miss,
try.
I mean 2 upon minus 5, not minus.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Wherever you get in a fraction, even if you get a negative in the denominator, you always bring it to the numerator.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
look at this. It's 4 raised to power x into 4. Are you understood why we broke it down into two parts? 4 raised to power x, 4 raised to power 1.
Yeah.
Right? Then
Yeah.
4 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 2.
Oh, miss, I would have gotten it, but I messed up in the first step only.
Okay, then 2 raised to power 2. Abhi understand kar lo, so that you can rest of the questions you can do it on your own. F I will explain if you're not able to do. Okay?
Yeah.
2 raised to power 2 x, 2 raised to power 2. This becomes 2 raised to power 3. 8 को हम 2 raised to power 3 कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay, now this 2 into x can be multiplied to get 2x. So 2 raised to power 2x and 2 raised to power 2. This one.
Yeah.
And this 3 and x can be written as 2 raised to power 3x.
Yeah.
I want to bring this 2 in the numerator. So when I do that, it becomes minus 3 and 1 is
Yeah.
gone, right?
Yeah.
Now see, what do I get? This 2x and this 2. Since they're in multiplication, I can add the powers.
Yeah.
And this is 2 raised to power minus 3x. So this is equal to this because now base is same. So I can equate the powers.
Yeah.
So when I do that, 2x plus 2 is equal to minus 3.
Yeah.
Right? Which means this is, when you solve it, x is equal to minus 2 upon 5 is what you'll get.
Okay. Yeah, I understood.
All right.
Wait,
Okay,
miss,
Ash.
if it's 2x plus 3, okay, never mind.
Miss, I
Yeah.
finished the D1. The E1 is a bit tricky. Like,
कोई बात नहीं. Take your time. Solve it today. आज वापस से solve करना है. And this exercise and this exercise, Arya, you've not done even one exercise, beta. I want you to do. Agar,
Yeah.
if you do not do this by your own hands, you will not get anything in the school paper. I'm telling you. Theoretically, maths nahi samajhna hai. We have to write down. The more you write down, the more you will understand. Because then only you'll know where you're getting stuck. Okay? You cannot do maths theoretically. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm not. You've not done even one sheet. So please do it.
Yeah, miss, I'll do it today only.
Today only. And now we have a lot. Now we have quadratic also added to it now. Okay,
Yeah.
Arsh, next time when we meet, so let's finish off up till quadratic and then tell me if there is any problem. To 20B तक complete करना है.
yes, miss.
ठीक है?
Miss, our meeting tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow we have a science class, right?
Science.
Science. For science we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do physics.
Okay.
Okay?
And miss, can you also revise a bit of biogenesis, mitosis, and
When is
meiosis?
the summative for physics?
It's on Wednesday.
This coming Wednesday?
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. ठीक है. So we'll do one thing. Tuesday we will have a class, right?
Yeah.
Tuesday will be, when is math and when is can you tell me the dates?
So math and oh wait, science is on Thursday. Math
Science
is on Tuesday.
So
Math is
let's
on
first
Wednesday.
तो हमारी जो एक मैथ की क्लास होगी ना उसमें हम साइंस पढ़ लेंगे वापस.
Okay.
ठीक है? Because
On
we'll
Wednesday, right?
Wednesday, right? We'll do whatever revision needs to be done. We will do it then also.
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow let's do physics first. Physics we have done long time back. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. And after this summative, will you have anything else?
Yeah, there's another week of summatives after like 2 more weeks of these.
Okay. ठीक है. ठीक है. And same syllabus?
No, there'll be the smaller portions.
As in?
Because end of year is meant to be the portions of a whole semester. Normal summatives are just of 1 unit.
So this summative is what? End of year?
End of year.
This summative which is going to come now.
Yeah, that's why we're revising like all the units.
Okay. ठीक है. ठीक है. Any problem in trigonometry?
No, trigonometry is easy.
Yeah, miss.
All right, chalo. We are done with this. Now you have to write. नहीं
Yeah,
लिखो,
miss.
नहीं होएगा. That's
Miss, today and mostly tomorrow I'm